Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, as for the $500, okay, it all depends on the efforts you are putting into it. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. It is a custom made indicator. Finally, these actually broke out below the support trend line, just like I have predicted in the morning. I said once it breaks out from there, then we are most likely to have more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so it broke out at this point. So what should we do, guys? We should set up our trades right away. Okay, our trades right away. So this should have been our entry point, and of course this should be the stop loss. Okay, so that is how it should work. So let me just give simple setup so that we get to know what to do and what we should do right now. Okay, so in case we see a trade like this is what we need to do. Okay, so our entry point, our stop loss, first TP at this point, then we have more TPs to achieve second. Then let's see, this is 15-minute time frame, so all these TPs are reasonable, guys. So just take advantage of the TPs. I'm going to change this good color to tail blue. No, yeah, slate blue. Okay, good. So these are the TPs arranged for GainX 1200. So you guys can take advantage of it, set it up, and allow it to play out. Okay, so it is as simple as that. I'll also try as much as possible to drop a detailed signal in the Telegram channel tonight. Okay, so just in case you are unable to figure it out on your own, I'm going to drop the signal. Okay, so now that means that for GainX 1200 we are expecting more selling opportunity. Now GainX 999, let's check it out. This had been an uptrend right from here, got to this region, had a pullback, just like I have explained in the morning, and I said it's going to buy back to this hour to the resistance zone where it had a pullback. Okay, so you can see it got there, went back, and going there again. If it should break out above it, then it's going to buy more and may likely get to this region. So this is still very much on uptrend and it is still buying. Okay, so we should take note of that, except if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, that is when it's going to sell again. Okay, so we should take note of that. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Right from this resistance, they started a downtrend, even though the movement was somehow, and of course broke out below it at this point, just like I have highlighted, and of course gave us more selling opportunity right from there. It has gotten to this region, had a pullback, and it's trying to go down again. If it should go down and break out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. So we should take note of that. So this is still selling at the moment, except if it's unable to leave this region, that is when it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Selling at the moment, although anything can still happen at that point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. I actually love this one because it's actually, I told you guys that in the morning that once it breaks out from here, it's going to buy more, okay, because it has been playing around this support region for a while, just the way we have seen it. So that is why we are looking out for this breakout, and it's happened and it is buying, and it's still going to buy more. I'm also going to drop a well-detailed signal in the Telegram channel on this particular one. So this is on uptrend at the moment, so it is giving us more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so we should take note of that. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend for a while, got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, tried to go on uptrend but pull back and headed towards the support region. Okay, let me use this, guys. The support region. If it's unable to break out from here, it's going to switch into an uptrend and it will start buying right from here. That is what we are actually waiting for. Okay, if that happens, then it will give us an opportunity to buy for a very long time. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So that is it. So this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long, in case it's unable to break out from there. Okay, so selling at the moment, and we should also have it at the back of our mind that it can start buying once it's unable to break out from the support zone and it switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. So we should watch out for that. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start acting it out on your real account. Okay, and if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.